second experiment that we're going to do as a makeup demo is our citric acid and baking soda. Okay, for your before observations, here's what baking soda looks like. It's a white powder. Citric acid is also white, but it's more granular. It looks more like sugar. Okay, so make sure that you record those observations. I'm going to put these in the test tube. Love how there's conversation going on outside in the hallway. Okay, so I've got the two reactants in here, but it's actually the case that it doesn't really get going until you add some water so that the molecules can mix. So here we go. So the first thing you should observe is that there are lots of gas bubbles being given off. So we're going to test that gas again to see whether it is hydrogen, oxygen, or carbon dioxide. Remember that hydrogen will make it pop, carbon dioxide will snuff out the flame, and oxygen will make it burn brighter. So let's see what it is. Okay, so it extinguishes our flame, which indicates the presence of carbon dioxide. Okay, also, Abby, my videographer, come feel the test tube.
Cold.
It's gotten definitely colder. So we have bubbles being given off, bubbles of carbon dioxide, and we have a temperature drop. We don't really have a color change or anything like that, but those are our two indicators of a chemical reaction: a temperature change, a decrease in temperature, and then carbon dioxide bubbles.